Good morning everyone. My name is Mrudula, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering at MLR Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. Today I am going to give a lecture about the lighting scheme. What is a lighting scheme? That is direct lighting, indirect lighting, semi-direct lighting, semi-indirect lighting, and different types of things to be considered when designing a lighting scheme, and how to decide the lighting scheme we will discuss today. First one is the lighting scheme. The lighting scheme is a plan how light is being used. It is a plan that how light is being used to illuminate a space and is based on the space requirements, its location as well as the purpose of the lighting. The main types of lighting schemes are: first one, direct lighting, indirect lighting, semi-direct lighting, semi-indirect lighting, and general lighting. So, different factors to be considered for lighting, that is location and the purpose, and the space requirement is also necessary for a lighting scheme. First one is direct lighting. Light is directed at a surface. In direct lighting, the light is directed at a surface which can cause a glare or a shadow. This type of lighting is mostly used in commercial and industrial settings. Second one is indirect lighting. In indirect lighting, light is directed at the ceiling. Which reflects down to illuminate. Means the light is provided on the ceiling and which reflects down to illuminate the space. This type of lighting creates even illumination and reduces the glare, making it useful in drawing offices and for decoration in hotels and cinema malls. So, in making it is used mostly in the decoration purpose in hotels, in cinema malls, and in drawing offices. Like the lighting is provided at the ceiling and it reflects down the illumination to the space. The third type is semi-direct lighting. It combines aspects of direct as well as indirect lighting. Means the features of both direct as well as indirect are being implemented in the semi-direct lighting. Semi-indirect lighting. It also combines the direct as well as indirect lighting. And general lighting provides illumination in all directions. So, we will be knowing all these different types in depth. That is, first one, direct lighting. See here, you can see the picture of direct lighting. Means the lighting is provided to the surface directly. This is your surface. The lighting is directly provided to the surface without any reflection. So, here you can see a glare here. Direct lighting casts light directly from the source onto the surface. This method provides concentrated illumination, making it to deal for areas requiring high light levels. Means if in a room the lighting level should be more, so in that particular room we will be using the direct lighting, that is for study, mostly the study rooms for study purpose we will be using. In classrooms, in study rooms, in offices, we will be using this direct lighting. So the direct lighting is used in high light levels like workstations, kitchens, and in workshops where light is mostly required. We will be using the direct lighting. The second one is indirect lighting. Here you can see the picture of indirect lighting. Means the lightning, previously it was in this manner. The lightning was in this manner. But here the bulb is placed in opposite direction. So light falls on the wall first and then reflects back. First, in direct lighting, the light directly falls on the object, but in indirect lighting, the light first falls on the surface, on the wall first, and then after reflects back. So in this picture there will be no glare. In this picture there will be no glare, and you will call this one as indirect lighting. So you can see the arrow marks here. First light will fall on the wall first or the roof, and after that it will fall on the objects. So mostly this type of lighting is used in bedrooms. Like you can see the recessed lamps or a natural option of says in the ceiling. Means for ceiling lighting this type of lights are being used, and the light source is hidden. Here you can see the light is being hidden. You can see the light is being hidden inside the wall, and the indirect illumination will be wrapping all the space without creating any kind of glaring effects. So in this indirect type of lighting there will be no glaring, but this indirect type of lighting cannot be used for study purpose or in the classrooms or in any kind of workshops. It is mostly used in an area where lighting should be very less, like in mostly cinema halls or in bedrooms. So next type is semi-direct lighting. Semi-direct lighting, it is a combination of direct as well as indirect lighting. Here you can see the lighting is provided in this manner. So the light falls on the roof as well and the objects also. So the lighting falls on the roof as well as on the surface of the objects also. So semi-direct lighting scheme that emits most of the light downwards while also reflecting a portion of light on the upward direction also. That means it is having the upward direction also as well as downward direction also. And light distribution is 60 to 90% of the light is emitted downwards while the remaining light is being reflected upwards. Means we can take 60% downwards, 40% upwards. 60% downwards, 40% upwards. Benefits. Produces, what are the benefits? It produces even lighting, softens shadows, and avoids the discomfort. It avoids the discomfort. That means the lighting should be more and there should be no glaring, and there should be no discomfort for the eyes. So this type of lighting can also be used in classrooms. So this is the benefit. And the next one is, it is best suited for rooms with high ceilings. It is best suited for rooms with high ceiling where uniform illumination is desired. Uniform illumination, that is, equal amount of lighting is being required in all the space of a room. In that particular rooms which are having high ceiling, in that particular rooms we will be using this semi direct lighting. Examples. Here you can see the example of an semi direct lighting. Next one is applications. Mostly used in staircase, corridors and storage areas. It is used in storage areas, in corridors and in staircase. Next one is diffusing. It can be used to improve the brightness and efficiency. It can be used to improve the brightness and efficiency. The next one is proper arrangement. It is not arranged properly. Reflected light or shadows can be a problem. Means if this arrangement is not done properly, if it is slanting by little bit of angle, so the reflection or the light which is falling on the surface may change. So this one should not be inclined, it should be placed properly. So this is semi-direct lighting. The next one is semi-indirect lighting. This is an example of semi-indirect lighting where the lighting on direct object is less when compared to the lighting on the roof. Lighting on the roof or the wall is more here. That is, this is 60%, this is 40%. This is 60% and this is 40%. So this 60% light will again reflect and come back. Semi-indirect lighting. This lighting is mostly reflected, but some parts of light also provide smaller amount of direct light. So most of this light is beamed upwards, like most of the light is being focused on upwards, and these are being used in the hallways, staircase and are the different types of examples for this type of lighting. Means mostly they are used for decoration purpose in different halls like function halls and for the staircases. Next, these are the different things to be considered when designing a lighting scheme. First one, when designing a lighting scheme, it's important to consider the following. The first one is adequacy. Ensure the space has enough light. We should ensure the space having enough light. The second one is uniformity. Ensure that light is distributed evenly. The light should be distributed evenly in the whole space, the whole room. Next one is glare. We should avoid the glare to avoid the discomfort in the eyes. And next one is shadow. We should avoid the shadow also. Last one is illumination levels. We should ensure the illumination level is suitable for space and its uses. So these are the different things to be considered for a good lighting scheme. First one is adequacy. It should be uniform and it should not have any kind of a glare. It should not provide the shadows and illumination level should be good. How to decide the lighting scheme? When deciding a lighting scheme, the number of lamps for a room you should consider first. That is, the first one is lighting type. Lighting type. There are different types of lighting, including ambient, accent lighting, task. That ambient lighting also provides general and background lighting, provides overall illumination for the room. Task lighting provides focused light for specific activities such as for reading and cooking. Specific activities like reading and cooking. Okay. Next one is room use. The second one is room use. Different rooms require different levels of lighting. Levels of lighting. Means it is a reading room, or else it is a kitchen, or it is like a cinema, shopping mall, or for decoration purpose, or for it is a cinema hall. So based on the room use, you need to decide the type of the light. So different rooms requires different types of lighting. For example, as I said, bedroom, sitting room, and typically needs around 10 to 20 lumens per square foot. Sitting room as well as bedroom, it requires around 10 to 20 lumens per square foot, while the kitchen needs around 70 to 80 lumens. Means kitchen needs more amount of lighting when compared to the sitting room. The third one is lumens. To calculate the number of lumens needed for a room, first we should calculate the number of lumens that are required for a particular room based on the requirement. So multiply the rooms. Here you can see, multiply the room square footage by the desired foot candle requirement, which gives you the lumens. For example, here you can see 1000 square feet living room that needs 10 to 20 foot candles will provide around 1000 to 2000 lumens. 1000 to 2000 lumens. Next one is lamp placement. In which location the lamp should be placed in order to provide a proper lighting to that particular room. So lamp placement plays a major role here. Lamp are placed in corridors, on the sides of seating, or on consoles. So these are the different points to be considered while placing a light. What are the other things to be considered when designing a lighting scheme? Some of the things are light distribution and brightness. The light distribution and the brightness. Second one is energy conservation. Means the bulb should be able to give the large amount of lighting, but it should consume only limited amount of energy or power. Next, the appearance of space. The appearance of space means based on the lighting, the space should be visible. Next one is glare. There should be not any kind of glare because of this lighting system. Next, appearance of color. There are different types of colors in the lighting, that based on the decoration purpose. Mostly for decoration purpose, we will be using different color lights. Next, for lighting control and flexibility. For lighting control and for flexibility. Next, lighting of faces. Lighting of faces. The last one is cost of implementation. The overall cost for implementing these different types of lighting in different types of rooms. So in a brief, the points to be considered for designing a lighting scheme are light distribution and brightness, energy conservation, that is at low energy consumption should be there, appearance of the space and luminaries. Next one is glare, there should not be any kind of glare, appearance of color, which type of color lighting do you want, lighting. Next, lighting control and flexibility. Next, lighting of faces and cost of implementation, the overall cost for implementing the lighting system. For the next topic, we will like to discuss about the selection and sizing of components in electrical systems. Thank you.